What's up, everybody? I am Will. This is Hard City Raindrops. Of course, you know that because of the name of the channel. My name is Will. Did I say that already? Oh, who's paying attention? What do you want now, girl? What's your tattoo say? It says, "Don't bother me while I'm making YouTube videos." No, seriously. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the program. My name is Will. I've said that I think 3 times now, and I'm super distracted. And we'll keep going. So today we're going to review the i1R EOS or E0S. I don't know exactly, but this is the little Olight keychain. Super awesome. Unboxing it. Let's unbox it and see if we can't break it. No, I'm just kidding. Let's just unbox it and see how cool it is. So I always rock the Olight i3 EOS. I love this little light. This is 90 lumens. It's just a twist on one mode. AAA little keychain flashlight. I really love it, and I really don't want to even take it off my keychain. It's got some awesome wear on it. Look at it. But you know, this one's the new one, and let's check. All right, so we're back down here at the platform. And we're going to check out the E3 EOS. The i1R E0S. Let's just open the damn thing, huh? I had a blade out because I thought we might need that, but we don't. Because it's got this little thing here. So let's just open her up. This is Olight's nice little packaging. It's different than most of their lights. I don't know if this is a new thing or what's happening here. Ooh, it's a little light. Read me. So it says, before first use, unscrew the light head. Oh, okay, it's going to have a thing. Like a little plastic film. So I guess it doesn't turn on and waste the battery. Cool. Because, you know, without that giant thing there, I would have probably just been like, why isn't it working? This thing's really tiny. What else do we have first? Okay, there's the charging cable. So this is a rechargeable light. It's not going to be like their other lights or the other one that I have at least. Let's go grab that. Speaking of, let me just hit pause. Okay, so here's compared up to the E3 EOS. Oh, you can see how much smaller it is, and actually way nicer with the knurling on there and Olight recharged. Cool. Let's take the little yellow thing that was in there. Okay, so the battery's built into this. It's not any kind of battery, it's just a rechargeable light. So there's one mode, there's 2 modes, and off. So it's got 2 modes, where this one only has 1, which is 90 lumens. And I believe, let's just get into the directions here, which will say exactly what's going on here. Okay, so high is 130 lumens, low is 5 lumens. It'll run for 54 minutes on high. Oh, wait. 54 meters long in distance. Okay, I'm sorry. It'll run for 20 minutes staying on high. So if you just left it on the high mode like that, which is 130 lumens. Let's compare that to 90, actually. Okay, it's a little brighter. 90 lumens, 130. 90, 130. So, okay. It'll run for 20 minutes like that if you left it on. And it'll run for 7 hours on the 5 lumen mode, which is right here. And that's a good little mode just for everyday tasks. Just looking around maybe the car, or you didn't want to wake someone up in the house and you were doing whatever you were doing. Like the wife is sleeping or the kids and you had to go in the baby's room or something. Really nifty little light. I love it. Liking it so far a lot, actually. So on the back, it's got, ooh, can you see that? Sorry. The different directions of modes. There you go. low, off, high. So you just twist and then twist all the way for off. It's really smooth. I like it. And then this is just the simple directions on the charging system, which is here, which is kind of a pain in the butt, maybe a little bit. It's not really a huge deal for me. I guess I'll just have to charge it. It probably doesn't need charged very often. I mean, 75 minutes to reach full charge when it's dead. You can do it from a laptop or from any number of things, USB ports, and basically that's pretty much it. It's got a 30-day warranty, blah blah blah, and all that good stuff. So I'm not sure how long. I mean, leaving it on a 5 lumen mode, it'll last 7 hours. So I'm not sure. We'll have to see how long it lasts. I'll come up with an update review. It's feature lightweight and tiny. The entire light is slimmer than a pinky finger, with the length shorter than a AAA, and weight only 0.42 ounces, 12 grams. Features a high-performance Philips Luxon TX LED paired with TIR optic lens, producing soft and balanced beam, rechargeable through a built-in micro USB port, fully charged within 1 hour and 15 minutes. On and off output controlled throughout twisting the flashlight. Twist slightly to turn, blah blah blah, and I told you that. So we'll see how long it lasts without taking a charge, guys. Probably a while. I mean, I don't charge my Olights maybe once a month. So let's just take it and size comparison it with the S1 Baton Mini. So you can just see how tiny this thing is. And then let's size it up with the S1R Baton, which is a tad bit bigger than the S1 Mini. And for shits and giggles, let's size it up with the M2T Warrior. And here's a regular chapstick at Burt's Bees. So you can see how tiny this thing is. I mean, it's really a small little light. It's really cool. I like it. And here's the regular AAA. And like they said, it's just about a little bit smaller than a AAA battery. So I'm not sure if this is waterproof, because this one is. It's got a seal on it. I love this little keychain flashlight, but I'm not dropping my keys in water. So let's see if does it say it on the back of the box. Let me just take this little thing off. I don't see anything about being waterproof. Oh, okay. IPX8. I'm not really sure, guys. So I'll try to look that up before I end the video when I cut back to my ugly mug. But hey, it'll actually fit inside there if you want to hide it. And so let's how cool is it? 5 lumens, 90 lumens. Woo! Super awesome. Let's take off the old and put it on there. It's gonna slim down my keys a whole bunch, which is mainly what my goal is here. Okay, so here it is on the keychain, and definitely slimmed it down. It's almost like one of those little nano light things. Really cool. I love it. And we'll see how it works out charging it and stuff. Like it's kind of annoying. You have to take that off to charge it, you know. And it's got this nice anodized blue Olight charger. But you know, we'll see how that works out, you know, having my keys, and, you know, maybe once a month I'll just have to charge up my keys, I guess. But, you know, that's why something like this is convenient. I mean, this AA, I've never even switched it. I think maybe once. I've had this light for about a year, and, you know, it just goes and goes, and it's only 90 lumens. So we'll see how it works out. I really like this light. It's not going anywhere. I'm going to keep this in somewhere. We'll figure out what I'll do with it. I might attach it to my key bar, or just have it in my EDC bag somewhere. But it's just a cool little light to have, just maybe even just in the car or next to your bedroom or whatever. You can do whatever you want with it. But this is a cool little light, and it's the newest thing, and I think it's going to look nice once it ends up all torn up like this one with the patina. So, cool. The Olight. Ooh, this one, is it? Oh, it's the stupid thing. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the camera is way not adjusted. Better. I'm a pretty big fan of anything Olight. I love all of their lights. But there is some disadvantages to them. They have these special batteries and special little chargers and stuff. You can see some 90 lumen action, or I'm sorry, 130 lumens. There's 5 lumens. But this is a cool little light. I like it. It looks good on the keys. Just slims them down a little bit. Now I don't have a flashlight dangling off there that kind of looks like anything. And oh, did it just turn on there? That's interesting. What happened? Oh, so this is something to note. Something happened there. Okay, I guess it was still close to the on mode, and like if it's really close to the on mode, and you squeeze it, it'll turn on. But you really got to be putting a lot of pressure on it. So make sure you turn it all the way off, and it won't do that. So it's something to note. I really don't think this thing is waterproof, guys. Oh, it does have a seal, so yeah, it must be. It must be. We'll figure that out and test it. Actually, let me give that a check right now. Alright, guys, so I didn't really feel like waiting. There you go, some water. So it is rated for IPX up to 2 meters. So let's check that out. So we're on. Fill the water. Oh, I dropped my keys in a puddle. Damn it. Oh, my flashlight. Oh no. Well, you're in good shape because it works. Cool. Hey, swimming. Yep, it works. Alright, so that takes care of that. Alright guys, let's take a look at this thing at nighttime. As you can see, just a little keychain light. Let's go see what we can do. Here's the 5 lumen mode. Not very bright. Focusing on that sunflower. You can't really see much with this. And 135 is a lot brighter. So that is 135 lumens. And it's not bad actually. So yeah. Pretty awesome. For a tiny little light like this, that is pretty kicking. So there you go. Now you can see we're in a dark room. We'll go 5 lumens here. There you go. This is what you're going to use. You know, if your wife is sleeping or your babies or something sleeping, you can do what you got to do. Or you can go with the bright, which is really freaking bright. So there you go. That's a little light, and that thing is pretty kicking. So guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Definitely, it's waterproof. It's got good lumens. It's easy to twist off. It's got nice knurling. It's got nice writing on there, real clear. It's small. It's lightweight. One downfall is the charging situation, but we'll see how I'll let you guys know, maybe in a video update, EDC video or something. I'll just let you know how that's working out. But you know, it seems like it's just going to be okay. You know, I'll just have to remember to keep it in check with the rest of my lights that I keep with their charges every once in a while. So I like it, and that's my new little keychain light. Cool. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And if you want to go ahead and buy this, I recommend it. I might disrecommend it if it breaks or something, but so far it is pretty good. Who the heck is at my door? But anyway, I'll check you guys later. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.